Welcome back to our channel Classify Community. So today we will be dealing with the lecture 5, that is the equation of continuity. Here we will be learning about equation of continuity, displacement current and Maxwell Ampere's law. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So equation of continuity, what is it? So a fundamental equation in fluid dynamics, the total amount of the conserved quantity, mass, energy, charge, momentum inside any region can only change by the amount that passes in or out of the region through the boundary. That means it states that a fundamental equation in fluid dynamics. So it is a fundamental equation in fluid dynamics. It states that total amount whatever is coming in and out of the region, that is the basic quantity, mass, energy, charge, momentum. Okay, that's when the change by the amount, whatever it's coming in and the amount which is going out, the changes which is being occur is known as this. Okay, for example, amount water flowing out of a tank. So the amount of water which flows out of a tank is equal to the net decrease. That means think there was 8 liter of water, so 1 liter goes out, so there is a decrease of 1 liter and it goes to 7 liter. That means whatever the amount of water flows out of the tank is equal to the net decrease in the quantity of water in the tank. For the case of flow of charge through a conductor, it is divergence dot J is equal to minus delta PV by delta T, where J is current density and rho is charge density. Okay. So now let's move on to the next, that is consider a closed surface enclosing a charge q with volume of charge density rho. Okay, so we need to assume that there is a surface which is being enclosing with the charge, that is q, with volume of charge density is rho. Okay, so if there is any charge that flows out of this surface, then that flow through small area, that is ds, is j dot ds, where j is obviously the current density. That means think that if a charge flows from here and it comes out from here, that means that the charge which is coming out is the small area from which it is coming out is j dot ds. Now the total amount of charge flowing outward is j double integration j dot ds, and charge in the entire volume is integration of p dot dv. Okay, as the charge flows outward, the net charge present inside the volume decreases with time. As the time passes, the volume also get increases as the charge is going outward, right? So therefore, the amount of charge flowing outward is equal to decrease in the net charge inside the volume. Explanation in the picture, that means the picture which we have earlierly seen for the tank, that picture. Okay, so that is here being stated that, see, delta dot j dv is equal to delta by delta t rho of dv. And now what we are doing here, we are this all will get over, right? Now, so we are left over with the divergence dot j is equal to minus d rho by dt, which is equal to d by dt divergence dot d. Now, when we solve this, we get divergence dot j plus delta t by delta t is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will be moving on with the displacement current. Now in a free space, the displacement current is related to the time rate of change of electric field. So whatever the rate of change of electric field will be in the free space, that is known as what displacement current is related to that. Now in a dielectric, the above contribution to displacement current is present too. So there is also a displacement current which has been present as a contribution in the dielectric also, but a major contribution of the displacement current is related to the polarization of the individual molecules of the dielectric material. That means here, whatever the polarization happens with the individual molecule, it is being related to what, which is being related to the major contribution of the displacement current. Even though charges cannot flow freely in a dielectric, the charges in molecules can move a little until the under the influence of an electric field. We know that the charges cannot flow, but the molecules can move by what? By whenever there will be some influence of an electric field. Okay. Now the next is positive and negative charges in molecule separate under the applied field causes an increase in state of polarization. Okay, so what happens now, whenever there is a positive and a negative charges in molecule, so it can be only separated. So it gets separated when there is the applied field which is being given. Now what happens from this? For this, there is an increase in state of polarization. So basically polarization is what? Polarization is a property applying to transverse waves that specifies the geometrical orientation of the oscillation. Okay. Now remember that it is expressed as polarization density, which is the symbol. Okay. So a change state of polarization is equivalent to a current, that is J is equal to delta T, D by delta T. Okay. Now the next and the last most things are that Maxwell's Ampere's law. So it basically that Maxwell observed the equation of continuity is more sacred than Ampere's law. Okay. So Maxwell found that if a new term, that is delta D by delta T, known as displacement current density, is added to the right hand side of the Ampere's law, it becomes adequate. So what happens when we add this to the Ampere's law, and now when we take divergence on both the sides, what we get? We get that the divergence of a curl is 0. That means delta dot J plus delta D by delta T is equal to 0. So these are the basic things you need to remember. I have made the thing in such a way that you can write it as your notes also. So just go through these things, just read it once more time, you will get the basic thing what you need to write. So I hope all of you understood the lecture of today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any queries, please comment us down below. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.